Hello and good day, grade 4 students. So, how are you today? I hope you're doing fine, great, and good. So, today we must to learn what? We must to learn the classroom or on-site class greetings. So, this is our all discussion today's discussions here because we start already the on-site class. So, we must to learn something new than online. Okay, so classroom or on-site class greetings and then introduction about the subject. So what is your subject you're taking or you're studying here? And classroom rules and regulations, so the rules in the classroom and grading evaluation. So how we evaluate your grades or how we give you a grades and proper leave taking. Okay, so how do you say how you can greet, okay, greet or um, say to your teacher when you're going when the class is finished already or end up already. Okay, so we will learn that one um, today. So if we can, so sometimes I separate this one here. So classroom rules and regulation. Okay, so in my that's what I am seeing. So the we will end up at this um, introduction about the subject. Okay, so introduction about the subject or about your subject. So here, are you ready? So this is me, your teacher. So if you, every time you see this picture, this is me, your teacher, and this one here is you, the student. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, yes, I am. Very good. Again, are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay. So what is classroom or on-site class greetings? Now, what is classroom teacher or on-site class greetings? Okay, so classroom is that is the place where you are studying, you meet your teacher, and the on-site is on the school, okay? Class, okay, so school class, okay? So that one. Okay, so greeting. So this one is a polite words. Polite words or a respectful words that we use, okay? So let's read. So it is a polite words, okay, polite, that used to said at the classroom. That used to said at the classroom before the class will start. Okay, so it means that this is a respectful words or text that we use, okay? We use, okay? So we do say at the classroom, okay? So the place where you are learning when the before the class will start or when the class is not yet starting. Okay, don't forget. So that is the meaning of classroom or on-site class greetings. So here, classroom or on-site class greetings. Okay, so so this is the sequence. So this is a sequence, okay? Sequence of what teacher of our classroom or on-site class, okay? So here, everybody please stand up. Okay, so this is me, of course, your teacher. So this is the stand up. Okay, so for those students who don't know what is stand up, so this is the stand up here. So everybody please stand up. Okay, good afternoon, grade 4 students. Okay, so here, good afternoon, grade 4 students. So how do you respond? Good afternoon, teacher. Okay, again, good afternoon, teacher. Okay, so this one here. Okay, so this is you. So good afternoon, grade 4 students. Okay, so good afternoon, teacher. Okay. Okay, so here, how are you today? Okay, so how are you today? I am good, teacher. Thank you. And you? So this is how you respond here. Okay, so that is how you respond here. So I am good, teacher. Thank you. And you? So teacher Happy will respond, I'm good too. Everybody, please sit down. Okay, so you must sit down here. Okay, so this is the sit down. Okay, so sit down. Okay, so for those students who don't know what is sit down, so this is the sit down. Okay, next. Introducing ourselves. So not only like I will talk here, but you don't know me, so you must to know me too. Okay, so you must to know me. So my name is Habi. Okay, what is your name? So again, my name is Habi. So this is my name here. Okay, Habi. So what is your name? My name is. Okay, so your name. Okay, so your name is Papaw. Your name is Not. Your name is Araya. Your name is Lakti. So that is the name. Okay. So my name is. Okay. So what is your student number? So your student number right now. So what is your student number? So it means that you must to count, okay? So student number, it means that is your number in the classroom. So my student number is, okay, so my student number, so that is your student number, okay? So my student number is, okay, so 1. I say 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. So that is your number, okay? Don't forget, okay? So that is your student number. Okay, next. Okay, what subject are you studying in our class, okay? So what subject are you studying in our class? So English subject, okay, again, English subject, okay? So that is the subject you are studying in our class, so English subject. Okay, so what subject are you studying in our class? So I studying English subject normally. But okay, I just let you say I English subject. So I want you to know what subject you are learning or you are studying here. Okay, so what is English subject? So you know already your subject, but you must know what is that one. What is the definition of that one? So this is a universal language that you can use to communicate or interact to other people in other countries. Okay, so this is okay, universal language. So universal language, it means all around language. Okay, so you can bring it all around. So it's a universal. So it's like when you have a charger, so universal charger, so you can charge every phone at there. Okay, so universal. So everywhere, okay, that you can use, okay, you can apply to communicate or interact to other people. So communicate, to talk, to have a relationship, to be friends to other people that you don't know in other countries. So like Germany, Australia, America, Russia, UK. Okay, so you can use this language here. So English, okay? So next, so introduction, okay, about the subject. So here, what are the skills that we will use and must to improve in this subject? So what are the skills that we will use and must to improve in this subject? So what are the skills? So first we have reading, two writing, next listening. Okay? So reading, that is the time you read in your books. Writing, that is the time you have a pen or you have your pencil and then you write. And listening, that is the time you use your sense of hearing. Okay, so when someone talking, you must to listen. Okay, especially if that is a manager, that is our director or your teacher, okay? So next, spelling. Okay, so like D-O-G, okay? D-O-G. What is D-O-J? Dog. So you must know how to spell, okay? D-O-J, dog. Number 5, speaking. Okay, speaking. So when you say speaking, of course, that is the time you're talking. And memorizing. So remembering, okay? Memorizing, it means remembering everything, okay? So if you can memorize, you can read, you can write easily, you can spell, you can speak, because that is already in your mind. You know how to respond, so you memorize how to respond. But listening, okay, that is different, okay? So this is sense of hearing, okay? So you use your sense of hearing here, not your mind, okay? So you listen. Okay, so we have the quiz here, okay, class? And then we will learn the classroom rules and regulations. So worksheet and your quiz, okay? So I hope you learned something for today, class, and thank you so much. Goodbye.